Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the opening ceremony of Goltens Batam 2025.
Firstly, thank you, Babayu, Chua, for giving me the opportunity to be here. Not many know that Goltens now is close to 1,300 people. And believe it or not, this is the 28th station. And we are making sure that the investments will continue, both in people and in machine, to develop this into a bigger station in times to come. So congratulations to all of you, and I'm looking forward to great success of Goltens Batam. Thank you.
Goltens Batam, Jaya, Jaya, Jaya!